Oh, it's raining. But I don't have choice, but I need to drive. It's raining. Life in Europe is boring, especially like this. When it's raining early in the morning and you have no choice but to drive in a slippery road while you battle with the rain and the foggy morning greetings to you. The road is not so clear because of the fog and because of the heavy rain, so it's quite boring when it's raining. You don't feel like doing anything, but life must go on. You have no choice but to drive. As kaysa naman maglakad ka, it's so cold and raining and there's no passage to walk. So this is it, the driving time during the cold winter. And there is Makulit at the back who is filming you while you are driving. Speed limit is 50. I'm gonna send my madam to her school. It's a mother's duty every morning to drive my madam to her school. Okay now?
No, Nolly.
We are reaching the traffic light. Oh, it's raining. Raining, man. We let this car pass. Ali, Oliva. Go. Pass. Après-vous. Allez. Go. Vite. Après, c'est moi.